Daniel, yung TV, pakipatay! May paparating na bagyo!
Ha? Bakit?
May paparating na bagyo!
Sige, sige.
Ikaw, tingnan mo yung bubog doon kung may butas.
Sige po na.
Naminsala sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Luzon ang hanging habagat at bagyong Karina. Libo-libong residente ang na-stranded at kinailangang ilikas mula sa kanilang mga tahanan.
Nay, nasa Luzon na daw yung bagyo! Na, kailangan natin maganda ng mga gamit para kung sakaling tumaas ang tubig ba, makalikas agad tayo. Sige, Uy, kumayo kayo dyan, itaas yung mga gamit. Dapat pala yung ilaw, tapos pabunod yun, baka bumaha.
Hey, wait lang. Ma, ito muna po kandila para may iwan naman kayo konti.
Huwag na yan, baka yung pamagas ng sunog pag nakatulog yun. Ito na lang, flashlight na lang tayo.
Ate, mama, ito na po yung balita ngayon sa bagyo natin ngayon.
An update on the weather now. The brewing storm off Mindanao has entered the Philippine area of responsibility this morning. Let's get more details from our resident meteorologist, Ariel Rojas. Ariel, over to you.
Actually, as you mentioned, the entered the Philippine area of responsibility of Tyson.
Mama, ate, nakalabas na po ng Philippine Area of Responsibility ako. Check ko mo muna kung naulit.
Gusto mo na rin yung ilaw.
Sige
Wait
po.
lang! Check mo muna yung bawal ng ilaw pag pindutin yung switch.
Sige, tawagan mo muna si Alex Toy ng Skyla.
Check muna ako ng news kung nakalabas talaga yung bagyo.
Libo-libong residente ang na-stranded at kinailangang ilikas mula sa kanilang mga tahanan.
Sa lakas ng hangin, kinansela ang flights. Itinigil ang operasyon ng mga tren at suspendido ng 2 araw ang mga klase at pasok sa trabaho.
Halos 30 bahay ang pinadapa ng naglalakihang alon.
Sugatan ang ilang residente habang ang karamihan walang naisalbang gamit kaya umaapela ng tulong.
Typhoon preparedness is important because it helps residents in high-risk areas to protect themselves and their property from the devastating effect of typhoons, and it allows people to have more time to prepare and cope with the damage to the power system. During an emergency or typhoon, you may not have time to make alternative plans, so based on what we have shown, I hope these tips will serve you because every details we have shown is very valuable to maintain your safety and condition. We cannot stop natural disasters, but we can arm ourselves with knowledge. So, many lives wouldn't have to be lost if there was enough disaster preparedness. There's no harm in hoping for the best as long as you prepared for the worst.